Alright, we're at the pastor's house. We're on the beach. This is where the pastor lives, hanging out with boys. Doing a little body around stuff for the pastor. I don't know why though. Not bad. Richard, did you hear that? It's gonna pour.
I hope we make it home first.
Walking back to the car. Let's see clouds. Did you hear that? Richard.
Oh shit.
This is on YouTube, buddy. That's my photo, Jason.